Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Reverse Flamenco. Now you really need to know how to do at least some kind of flamenco first. I recommend that you already know how to do an Accordion Flamenco because that's going to set you up for doing one of these really well. If you don't know how to do that, there is a link in the description below so you can go back and fill in that gap in your repertoire, but I'm assuming you're now ready for one of these. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break it down. It starts off right to right. We go semicircle back, we're offering the other hand. What we really actually want is to be ready to do a left to left return. So we're just setting ourselves up for that. If you're doing another move that's got a left to left return coming into it, then you're going to be in a perfect position to just jump straight in at that point. So we come in, we turn the lady, raise the right, raise the left, let go with the right, we don't need it, we're stepping away left to left. And we're going to bring the lady straight forwards in her return, so it feels a little bit like a travelling return, and we're actually going to block the lady before she gets to go to the other side. So we've got that travelling return coming up. Guys are going to block with their right arm. Lady's free arm is probably going to be floating, which means they're naturally going to come across the tummy, which is good because it means we instantly get into our flamenco position. You can style the arms a little bit differently. I often like the lady's palm down, the guy's palm up, but you can play with that in different manners. And guys, we're actually going to lunge past the lady a little bit because effectively we're getting to a flamenco and blocking it. So now we reverse direction and we walk and we walk and we walk. Then we stop the lady one more step. We start the lady into a turn, guiding with the right hand. That left hand stays high. We use the right hand on the lady's lower back to scoop the lady across behind us as we head across to the far side, and also we're going to back up to get out the lady's way. So this feels a little bit like a travelling cross-handed Wurlitzer. We spin the lady back to where we started and catch left to right or right to right, depending on what you're going to do next. So let's do the same thing from the other side, and let's think about numbers. So we're right to right, semicircle back and offer 1. We get turn 2, letting go with the right, stepping back 3. We get that blocked travelling return 4. We get our lunge in and set position 5. We're walking back 6, 7 and 8. We're blocking 1, leading the turn 2, scooping 3, facing and preparing 4, spinning across 5 and catching 6. So let's try it together. Here we go. Right to right and 5, 6, reverse flamenco. It's offer, turn, get ready, return, block, walk back, walk back, walk back, block, turn, scoop, prep, spin through and catch. That is the whole thing. It's one of those moves that the angles you're at are likely to vary depending upon how fast you're walking, and of course if you're doing something from a musical point of view you might want to walk for a different length of time, so you might end up going off in different directions, so having a bit more space is going to be helpful too. Okay, do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you like, you help promote the move. If you subscribe, you help promote our channel, so thank you very much to everybody who helps promote World of Floorcraft. And if you hit the notification bell, you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss one. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. So one of those windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video will be music video, and it will be a music video of something appropriate to dance this move to. Okay, thank you, as always, for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.